In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 and 11. Experiencing difficulties launching Roblox on your Windows 10 or 11? Here's a comprehensive guide to resolving the Roblox launching issues. The possible reasons are temporary system glitches, incompatibility with display driver, failure of Roblox to recognize the command to open, server issues, proxy server issues, Discord overlay, and more, etc. The best fixes to troubleshoot Roblox not working on PC are 1. Restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve launching issues. Give it a try before moving on to the other fixes. 2. Check Roblox server status. Ensure there are no service, outage, or server maintenance issues affecting Roblox. To do so, just head to Google and check the current server status and contact support of Roblox team for assistance. 3. Check your browser. If playing Roblox via a web browser, ensure the browser is functioning properly. Clear its browser cache, cookies, and reset internet options if necessary. 4. Delete temporary internet files and cookies. Remove temporary internet files and cookies from your browser to ensure smooth operation. This helps clear any cached data that may be causing issues. 5. If you're using Roblox desktop, try to run Roblox as an administrator to bypass the permission-related issues. 6. Delete the Roblox app data folder. Navigate to the app data folder and then delete the Roblox folder. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings causing launching problems. Just hit the Windows +R key, write app data, look for the Roblox folder, and delete it. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.